We see a bleak, dystopian world where people are demoralized and lacking in confidence. But there is hope, because today we're going to explore some strategies for regaining confidence in this challenging world. Identify your unique strengths. In a world where conformity and mediocrity are the norm, it's important to recognize your individual strengths and qualities. Take time to reflect on what makes you unique and valuable, whether it's a particular skill, a creative talent, or a strong sense of empathy. Embracing and cultivating these qualities can help you feel more confident and self-assured. Practice self-compassion. In a world that can be harsh and unforgiving, it's important to be kind and compassionate to yourself. Practice self-care by engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, and by setting realistic goals and expectations. Remember that setbacks and mistakes are a natural part of the learning process, and treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a friend. Face your fears with courage. In a world that can be scary and unpredictable, it's natural to feel anxious and apprehensive. But by facing your fears with courage and determination, you can build confidence and resilience. Start small by taking on challenges that are just beyond your comfort zone, and gradually work your way up to bigger challenges. Celebrate your successes along the way, and use them as a springboard for further growth and development. Connect with others in meaningful ways. In a world that can be isolating and disconnected, it's important to cultivate relationships and connections with others. Seek out opportunities to connect with like-minded people who share your interests and values, and build meaningful relationships based on mutual respect and support. By fostering a sense of community and belonging, you can strengthen your confidence and sense of purpose. In this challenging and uncertain world, regaining confidence can be a powerful tool for navigating life's ups and downs. By identifying your strengths, practicing self-compassion, facing your fears with courage, and connecting with others in meaningful ways, you can build a strong foundation for greater confidence and resilience. Thanks for watching this video. Now go kick some ass.